Hello everyone. I like to have garlic oil ready in my kitchen. So I'm normally make garlic oil twice a year. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share videos and subscribe. Thank you. So this time I use 250 grams of garlic. First thing first, you need to peel, cut off the bottom, the roots parts, and then you can easily remove the skin. In Vietnam and at the market, people will do this part ready for you, and they chop into small pieces. Normally they use the machine, so when using the machine, the oil inside the garlic will leak out. So I like to do it myself. After I peel the skin, I chop them up into small pieces by hand. And you can see when I do so, my garlic chips still are very intact. No bruise, nothing harm done to it. So that's a good thing, because when I cook in oil, my garlic is easy to get crispy and it don't get burned easily. So that's it. You just go one by one, and finally you're done. And now my garlic chips is ready for me to fry. So I have a half a liter of oil, and I separate 300 milliliter into the pan. You can use pan or skillet, whatever you use, or not the surface not go up too much, and when you add garlic it will overflow. So the rest 200 I left behind. I left it behind, so that later, after I'm done cooking, they will add into the mixture immediately to lower the heat, to cool my garlic oil down. Now in this skillet, I added oil, and I use medium high heat, and I added my garlic chips. Remember, you don't use too high heat. When you add the garlic, it will burn immediately, but you don't use very low heat. Your oil is not hot enough, and when you add the garlic, they will stick together. Now I lower the heat afterwards to get my chips to get crispy gradually, and I stir them once in a while. Remember, move and from the edges inward. That way you can control the golden brown, and don't get it burned. When you see is almost there, and and you can easily notice that when you smell the aroma, that means aroma started to burst and the color become yellow, golden. That means they are almost ready. At this point, you increase the heat and stir for 1 more minute, maximum 2 minutes. You don't want to burn them, but you want to crisp them. And that's it. Pour the other oil to combine, and that's it. You have garlic oil ready, and the garlic chips will stay crispy for 6 months. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.